tossendo Decimus. Harry Potter? No. Seneca. Seneca the Younger. What does it mean? It means by teaching we learn. And we are teachers. And teaching is not a profession, it's a calling, it's a vocation. So how do we create a story? What are the mechanisms of the story? I'm absolutely sure that each and every one of you know how to, you even teach your students how to write a story. You know everything about the plot, plot lines, how to develop a character, and we know the laws of storytelling. But I know myself that I very often attend seminars about storytelling and creative writing, although this is what I teach because it gives me inspiration. So I'm very sure that even the most experienced cook needs a cookbook. And the ingredients of a good story, they always have to do with creative writing. And I prepared here a very good definition saying that the best creative writing delights our senses, changes our minds, and engages a broad range of emotional reactions, including love, anger sometimes, sadness and joy, contempt and empathy. Empathy is something that I like very much, but it's another story. And if we, even before we start writing anything, we ask a question, what do we want to teach our students? The facts are one thing, but with this story we can teach so many other things. We can teach them empathy, we can teach them, if there has been a problem in the class, we can include something about friendship, a word about forgiving, a word about empathy also. So I have a list here, 1, 2, 3, but one of the quotes that I like very much, it's by Naomi Shihab Nye, and she says, don't start with a big idea. Start with a phrase, a line, a quote. Questions are very helpful. Begin with a few you're carrying right now. So how to start writing a story? You know probably the mechanics. We will talk more about the mechanics. But the best way to start a story is to start. So if I have no inspiration whatsoever about the story and how to start a presentation, anything, I find the right quote. I write the right quote, and then the story starts. So start with one line, start with a quote, and then we will see what happens. See you soon.